right, this is a video on how to adjust for different size product in a Vendo 721. You have these movable spacers at the back of your column, and you have these in the front, these product stops in the front to keep cans and things, I guess, from falling out of the machine. We slide this down out of the way, and we look inside. You have a plastic stop at the top that kind of holds it into place. You move that to the side. You can now lift in, grab this bar, and move it forward or back to adjust it to the size of the product that's in the machine. Vendo recommends you have 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch in front and behind your row of product, no matter how many cans or bottles it is deep. You need to adjust that. You also have a product stop underneath the machine that has 2 positions, one for beverages that are taller than 7 inches and one for beverages that are smaller than 7 inches. So Vendo says for short product that is 7 inches or less, you move this to the forward position. And for product that is taller than 7 inches, you move it to the rear position. So that's for your long product. This is for your short product. Reason being, obviously, a can that is shorter than 7 inches, if this was 4, would have nothing here to hold the lip of it. It would fall out. It's really important you take care of that. Otherwise, you'll have some product falling in double vending and your next customer getting nothing.